Everyone, welcome to another video by Maths with Sarah. So the last few videos that I've done have all been focusing on a different principle of algebra. So far we've simplified algebraic fractions, we've looked at loads of indices, we've solved simultaneous equations, we've rearranged formula. Today is the turn of expanding and simplifying this triple bracket mayhem. It's a pretty nasty looking little equation or little formula even, and we are going to have to simplify this. So let's get started. As with all of these questions, I encourage you to pause the video, have a little go yourself, see how you get on, and then check back. If you're struggling, then I'll be going through it in a second. If you get it right the first time, then that's excellent. So let's take a look at this question. We have got 3 brackets. Now, if you can expand 2 brackets, you can expand 3 brackets. The only thing that makes expanding 3 brackets that much harder is keeping track of everything. You're going to have so many more terms to keep track of, which is why it just is a slightly level up kind of skill. Okay, so the way that I like to do this is just to break it down. So to start with, we'll focus on these 2 brackets, and then we'll tackle this last bit with this final bracket. And this is the way that I think makes it just like a little bit easier, because then you're only looking at 2 brackets at once. You don't have to worry about all 3 of them. So let's start with x minus 2 to x plus 3. And this way we can simplify in between each combination. And that just means that we don't have quite so many terms to deal with. So we have got 2x squared minus 6 minus 4x plus 3. Okay, sorry, plus 3x. Now we can start simplifying this already. So we would end up with 2x squared minus 6. Then we've got minus 4x plus 3x, which is just in total going to give us minus x. So we've got 3 terms here. We now need to multiply that by this bracket. So we have, pop this in a bracket again, it just saves us from getting confused. 2x squared minus 6 minus x. And then in the second bracket, x plus 1. So we times each of these by x to start with. We will get 2x cubed minus 6x minus x squared. And then we're going to times everything in this bracket. So we've done this one, we've done this one, and this one. We're going to do exactly the same, but times it all by 1. So times it by 1 is obviously quite straightforward, because we can literally just copy out this bracket again. So we now will have 1 times 2x squared, 2x squared, 1 times minus 6, minus 6, 1 times minus x, minus x. Now we need to collect all the like terms together. So we only have 1x cubed, so we don't need to do anything with that. That can stay as 2x cubed. We then have an x on its own here and a minus x here. So we have got minus 6x minus x, which gives us minus 7x. We then have got a minus x squared plus 2x squared. So minus 1x squared plus 2x squared gives us plus 1x squared. And then lastly, we have got 1 number, so we could just leave a minus 6 on the end there. Excellent. So I think, again, like a lot of these algebra questions, looks far more scary when you're thinking about trying to expand 3 brackets. But in actual fact, once you get going, it's fine. It's not too difficult. If you can, as I said before, if you can expand 2 brackets, you can expand 3. Just make sure you keep track of all the terms. Obviously, I've used different colours here, which I think helps just to see what's what. But yeah, feel free to scribble them, cross them out, rearrange them, do whatever. So expand and simplify, This was one of the, I think we've got one more algebra video to come, and then I'm going to start on a few different new questions. So make sure that you like and subscribe so that you know exactly what I'm up to, what's going on, get the first look at all of the new questions that are coming out. I really hope that you found this video useful, and I'll be back soon.